Good morning, students. How are you? Again, we will discuss exercise. Which exercise? 6.3, chapter number 6, class 10th mathematics. We have done up to question number 11. Today we will try to complete it if possible. I think you are doing your work properly. So it's given side AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the side PQ. This is given. One triangle name is what? ABC. Another triangle name PQR. AD is its median. As you know, median start from a vertex and divide the opposite side into two equal parts. AD is the median of this and PM is the median of this. PM is the median of this triangle. What you can write given? In triangle ABC, AD is the median of triangle ABC and PM is the median of triangle PQR such that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. To prove, what you have to prove? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Proof: in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, AB and BC, AB and BC, PQ and QR. So BC written beta here. So AC not in place of AC. What's coming? BC by QR coming. In triangle ABD and triangle what? PQM. We know AB by PQ is equal to BC by QM is equal to AD by PM. This we know. AB by PQ is equal to twice of BD twice of QM is equal to AD by PM. Region BC equal to half of BD. QR is equal to half of QM. Sorry, 2 times. It's given 1 by 2 of BC is equal to BD and half of QR is like this. Because AD and PM are its median. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. Hence, by which triple S criteria, rule of similarity. What? Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Similarly, triangle ACD is similar to triangle PRM. By which reason? By same this we have used in show triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQRY. Triangle ABC is equal to sum of what? Triangle ABD plus triangle ACD. Similarly, triangle PQR is equal to triangle PQM plus triangle PRM. Understood? Now question number 13. Exercise 6.3. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. This is a triangle given. What's its name? A, B, C, and D is a point on the side BC. This is a point like this. What's its name? D. So given you can write in triangle ABC, D is a, what is D? Point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC, this angle is equal to angle BAC, this complete angle. To prove what? To prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. Proof. In triangle ABC and triangle, which triangle? DAC. Yes? 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 Yes. So, triangle ABC and DAC. Angle, which angle? BAC equal to angle ADC. Given or not given? Given. Angle, which angle? ACB equal to angle DCA, common. Therefore, by AAA criteria of similar triangle, what's similar triangle? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. Therefore, AB by DA, BC by AC is equal to AC by DC. These two you can take. These are important. Here CB, BC and you need CD. So BC by AC is equal to AC by AC. Cross multiplication. BC into DC is equal to AC into AC. This implies BC you can write CB, CD is equal to AC square. Hence result. Understood? Question number what? 13. Now question number 14. Exercise 6.3. 6.3. So what's given? Side AB, AC and median AD of a triangle ABC. This is a triangle. This is a median. And another triangle is A, B, C, P, Q, R. The name of this point is D, and this is P, M. First you can write given in triangle ABC, AD is the median of triangle ABC, and in triangle PQR, PM is the median of triangle PQR such that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM is equal to AC by PM. Understood? To prove is this. To prove. So to prove is this. What you have to prove? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ. So we need some construction that I am trialing. You can produce this. Up to which point? Up to E, and join this, and join this. Similarly produce this up to point, and you can say, and this equal to, and this like this. So what you can write? Construction here, right? Produce AD equal to DE, or you can say DE equal to AD, and join E with C and B in triangle ABC. Similarly produce MN equal to PM in triangle PQR such that MN equal to PM. To prove, now proof. So how can we prove? We can prove ABEC is a parallelogram. Now, and this is also a parallelogram. This is also a parallelogram. After this, what we can prove? This triangle is congruent, similar to this triangle. So what you can say? This is like this. This side equal to this side. So now A, B, E, C, now in quadrilateral, and quadrilateral P, Q, N, R. Understood? Diagonal of both quadrilateral, as you know, AD equal to DE, BD equal to DC, PM equal to MN, QM equal to MR. Diagonal of both quadrilateral bisect each other. So whose property this? This is a property of a parallelogram. So A, B, E, C and P, Q, N are what? Parallelograms. Therefore, AC equal to BE and PR equal to QN. Now in triangle, which triangle? ABE and triangle PQN. As we know, AB by PQ, yes or no? AD by PM is equal to AC by PR. So this we can write AB by PQ. This we can write twice of it, twice of AD, multiply numerator and denominator PM. AC equal to BE, PR is equal to QN. So what's this become? AB by PQ is equal to AE, twice of AD, is equal to PN is equal to BE by QN. Therefore, by which rule? Triple S criteria of similar triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQ, and this is your first. Similarly, by same procedure, triangle, which triangle? ACE, this equal to this and this equal to this. Again by same procedure, triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN. Adding first and second, we get triangle ABE plus triangle ACE is equal to triangle, or you can say similar. Both triangles you can say are, you can say, similar to triangle PQN plus triangle PRN. Its meaning, parallelogram A B E C is similar to parallelogram P Q and R. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Why? Diagonal of a parallelogram divide it into two equal triangles. Hence result. So in this way you can solve. Try to solve it. If any problem, again we will discuss about. Nothing in it, you have to extend AD up to E such that AD equal to D and PM equal to MN. So it's both become parallelogram. Then you can prove this part is first part is congruent to this, second part is congruent to this. Then some of these both also congruent. And then you know diagonal of a parallelogram. Which diagonal? BC. Now here we need BC divide two equal triangles. This QR divided into two equal triangles, so both become similar. Question number 15. Question number 15. You can solve this. If any problem, discuss with me. Idea I can tell of this. How can you do it? A vertical pole. So pole is like this 6 meter pole. 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on a ground. At the same time a tower cast a shadow 4 meter long. So this is 4 meter. At the same time another this tower cast a shadow 28 meter. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F. You know triangle ABC is similar to triangle, just idea I am telling, is similar to triangle DEF. So as you know, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. AB value 6, D we have to find out, BC 4, and this is what? 28. Cross multiplication 6 into 28 is equal to 4 DE. Remaining you can find out easily. So this implies DE is equal to 6 into 28 by 4. 4 7 ja, it's meaning 42 meter. Find the height of the tower. So what's the height of the tower? 42 meters. Question number 16, exercise 6.3. AD and PM are the median of a triangle. These are two triangles. A, B, C and P, Q, R such that AD is the median of this. Median, you know, divide the opposite side into two equal parts and divide the triangle also into two equal parts. This is M. Prove that AB by, and it's given respectively, and where ABC. So you can write given in triangle ABC, AD is the median. AD is the median. And PM is the median of triangle. Which triangle? PQR, such that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. To prove AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. It's, you can say, converse of that. Example number, question number 14. Now proof. Now watch proof of it. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, angle B equal to angle Q. Now, and angle C equal to angle R. Now, in triangle, which triangle? ABD and triangle PQM. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. This you can write like this: AB by PQ is equal to twice of BD and twice of QM. 2 cancel 2. This implies AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Angle ABD equal to angle PQM given. So, two sides and included angle are equal. Side ratio are similar, proportional, and included angle are equal. So, by which SAS similar criteria. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM is equal to BD by QM. We need these two. Therefore, this implies AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. You can prove this theorem by another way. Take these two theorems, again prove these two are similar, and then you can see. So this is the last question of this exercise. From tomorrow, or you can say in lecture, we can start area of similar triangle. So much big chapter, many parts are this, but we will try to understand. What's your homework? Solve up to question number 11 in your fair notebook, and question number 12 to 16 2 time in rough notebook. Thank you all of you. Stay home.